Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to handle the new default template option that we have in FL Studio 20.5. So if you go to options, you can go to general settings. Now you can see here we have something called default template, and it's basically what FL Studio will load up as soon as you start FL Studio. So now we have the basic with limiter, which is just empty project with a limiter on, but we can actually create it something else. So let's say that we always use our own project that we always use with some different routings, or maybe with some different sends or plugins or effects or anything like that. It's very useful to then use your own. But we want a new default template, so let's go and create one. So I'm going to start it with the new and basic with limiter. So now we have our default template. So this is how it loads up default in FL Studio if you haven't changed anything. And so here we have a limiter, Fruity limiter on. So I want something else here. So I'm going to go with, I'm going to stick with the Fruity limiter, but I also want an EQ on our master. So I'm going to put an EQ2 on our master here. And now this is a bit tweaked, because we added a plugin basically. So now I want to add this template instead. So I always want this to be loaded up when I start FL Studio. So what I can do now is to go to File and Save As. So here you can see we have our files here, and I'm going to go to Projects and Templates. So now I want this to be called my own template. Let's click Save. We save the project, you need to restart FL Studio, so just close it and open up again. And now we go to File, New from Template, and you can see here I have my own template here. So change default template, we're back here, and now we can see it here. So now I have the default template as my own template. So every time I go to New or open up FL Studio, I will now have the parametric EQ loaded up as well. Okay, so see you in the next one.